Hey y'all, it's me, and I'm here with Ask Miss A. That's right. Send me your math questions from homework, and I'll do them to show you how to work them out step by step. So I have a algebra question from a student. I'm going to go ahead and share the screen so we can take a look at it. Here we go on the right-hand side. So this student needs to solve. Once again, we're solving this equation to find out the value of the variable. So the equation here, 6/11 y plus 18 equals 48. So I'm going to go ahead and on the right-hand side of the screen, I'm going to rewrite that problem so we can kind of just see step by step. 6/11 y plus 18 equals 48. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to figure out what that value of y is. I'm first going to take this adding 18 and I'm going to move it to the right hand side of the equation just to get my like terms all to the same side. So since 18 is being added, the opposite of adding 18 is to subtract, right? So I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides of the equation. Draw a little line right there just to show that's our first step. The positive 18 and the negative 18 will cancel. Then I'm going to bring down my 6/11 y and then bring down my equal sign. When I do 48 minus 18, I get 30. Now, this fraction, the first thing that I would do is I want to get rid of the denominator. So since the denominator, a fraction just means 6 divided by 11. So I'm going to do that dividing by 11 and I'm going to multiply 11 on both sides of my equation. The 11s are going to cancel, leaving me just with 6y. And then 30 times 11, what is that going to be, y'all? 330. Final step. This 6y, what this means is 6 times some number equals 330. So the opposite of multiplying by 6 is dividing by 6, and that's how I'm going to undo it. 6 divided by 6 is 1, and 1 times y is simply y. So now I'm going to do 330 divided by 6, and I'm going to get an answer of 55, and that's our answer. Y is equal to 55. If you have a math question that you'd like to see me walk through step by step, send me an email at missa at staracademiccoaching.com and I'll do your problem online. Thanks, y'all.